Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Liverpool home shirt, and this is for the 24-25 season, but it's got the print of the Champions 24-25 on it. This was purchased from dhgate.com. All the details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I will also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller, so that'll enable you to go and have a look at their items as well. Now we have looked at this shirt already on the channel, but I thought I would go and get the one with the printing on it of the Champions, and I'm going to give this to one of my friends who's a Liverpool fan. Delivery time, you look at about 15 days for delivery from the point of getting the information that's been sent to it arriving at your door. The shirt comes in a standard night bag. On the flip side, it does have our traditional health warnings. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, the seller of this one is gogm.com. All information will be in the description of this video, along with the dhgate link too. So let's get this bag open and take a look at the Liverpool home shirt for the 24-25 season with the Champions print on the reverse side. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt, and we've got the square sort of collar, so it's got like your proper collar here with the gap underneath it, but the bottom bit here is just flat. Now, being the Premier League champion shirt, we've got the gold Premier League emblem along with the no room for racism, and both of them have been heat pressed on. We have the Nike emblem, which has been embroidered in, and in the middle, Champions 24-25, and that's been heat pressed on. Liverpool badge has been embroidered into the material. I think that L should be slightly lower with the little dot there, but apart from that, I think that looks pretty good. And then we've got the standard charter. Now this is much more of a rubbery sort of feel to it, and on this sleeve we've got Expedia, which again is a rubber. This here and these items are pure vinyl, whereas this is like a sort of rubbery sort of texture. Moving to the bottom of the shirt, and we do have the engineered Nike with the product code just there. I've got to say, being the champion shirt, I do like this one. Obviously we have looked at the home shirt previously on this channel, but being that it's the Champions one, I thought I've never had, I don't think, a channel. Actually no, I did have a Man City one. One of my videos ages ago was a Man City one. Oh, I'm trying to remember now what that was. I was going to say this is the first champion shirt that I've done, but no, I did do a Man City one previously. But there's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side of the shirt now, and we do have the 97, and that is rubber as well actually. That's the same sort of rubber as the sponsor. And then we have Champions 24-25 with the Premier League crest, and this is all heat pressed on with vinyl, and that feels lovely. Gotta say, I really like it. Oh, I've just noticed that the 24-25 has also got the Premier League lion in it. But that looks absolutely fantastic. I really like that. Like I said, I'm not a Liverpool fan, far from it, but that looks really smart. Underneath, I've just noticed we've got the red and the yellow and white stripe on that side, and on that side too. Be interested to see when we get on the inside just how well this has gone on. It feels lovely, so I'm assuming there's going to be no creases or anything in there at all. My hand at the bottom, it's relatively see-through, but to be honest with you, that's with the light. I think if you're wearing this one when you're playing in it, it's not going to feel overly as see-through. It's like a dark dot there on the stitching, but apart from that, it's just where the join is. The stitching looks absolutely fine actually. So there's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside now of this Liverpool Champions 24-25 home shirt from gogm.com. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and here is the collar line. A little bit of loose stitching there, but scissors will soon sort that out. And obviously, as I mentioned earlier, it's one of those collars that it is a proper collar, but it's just kind of joined at the bottom there. The Liverpool crest has got some of this card around it. My recommendation to get rid of that card is just to soak some lukewarm water over this part of the shirt. That will then start peeling off nice and easily. You've got the Nike emblem there, that's been embroidered on nicely. So we have the champions here, that's gone on lovely, and the standard charter sponsor, again, really, really nicely. On this sleeve, what we got on this one? So that's Expedia, no creases at all, that's gone on well. And this side we have the No Room for Racism and the Premier League patch, which you can just about see there. Again, no creases. The only creases that you do see are from where the shirt's been in the bag, and once it's been worn a couple of times, they will soon come out. We have our washing instructions here, size XL, but the washing instructions there. Recommendation when washing these sort of shirts is to put them in a hand wash setting when the shirt's inside out, and then when you come to dry it, just let them hang dry. Never, ever, ever put them in a tumble dryer. There's a bit of loose cotton down there. Again, scissors will soon sort that out. But apart from that, the stitching all looks pretty much perfect on this shirt. Hemline looks fine, and we've got our Nike tag there. Again, been put on really well. So that's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Absolutely perfect. Let's flip it around and look at the final part. Okay, we've got our final part of the inside of the shirt now. You get these standard tags with them all the time, just to try and make them look a little bit more official. Got the Nike tag, XL, got the dry fit. This is a fan's version of the shirt, so XL is pretty much going to be like an XL shirt should be. And then we have the champions here, which has been heat pressed on, no creases. You've got the year 24-25 again, no creases. And then the big Premier League trophy, which has gone on really well. There is a crease there from the bag, but like I said, once that's been worn, that will soon disappear. I'm trying to remember that Man City shirt I did. I think that was a Premier League Champions shirt. For some reason I seem to think that I've seen this image before. It might be from that one, I just really can't remember. But yeah, stitching all looks good on the inside. The print has gone on really well. Really happy with this shirt from dhgate.com. And there we have it, our Liverpool home shirt for the 24-25 season with the champion or the Premier League champions badge on the sleeve. You've got the Premier League trophy there, champions 24-25, and champions on the reverse side as well. This shirt was purchased from dhgate.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link as well for my usual seller, which will allow you to see what items they have got. Delivery timescales on this, you're looking at about 15 days, which is about perfect for these sort of items. And to be fair, not much longer than if you were to buy from maybe the actual Nike or Liverpool shop direct. So yeah, really, really happy with this one. I am going to be giving this to one of my friends too. So if you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I mentioned, the seller is geogm.com. That's jeogm.com. All details in the description of the video. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Nice to see the champion shirt. I do really like this one actually. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.